Also developing tonight, a Buffalo immigration official releasing a strong statement directed at Governor Kathy Hochul after making an arrest on Friday.
A Brazilian man arrested for strangulation and endangering the welfare of a child. Buffalo's enforcement and removal operations leader Thomas Brophy saying in a social media post, the man was here illegally from Brazil and is accused of crimes in Brazil, including homicide. 7 News reporter Taylor Epps has been following this story and has the response from the governor's office tonight.
I mean, this is all political. What's going on now is a tension between the state and the feds.
And it's all about immigration, something immigration lawyer Rosanna Berardi has been getting a lot of questions about.
Especially right after the election, phones are ringing off the hook. People are concerned, people are afraid.
This recent headline has a lot of people talking, and it's a complicated situation. So last week, U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, arrested a 28-year-old Brazilian man who was in this country illegally. That's because earlier this month, he was arrested in Saratoga County for strangulation and endangering the welfare of a child. But the Saratoga County Sheriff's Office released him and gave him an appearance ticket, so ICE was not able to take over. Thomas Brophy oversees Buffalo's Enforcement and Removal Operations Office. In a social media post, he called out cases like this one, saying, quote, "These cases highlight the dangers of sanctuary jurisdictions and state policies that obstruct law enforcement from cooperating with ERO." Brophy adds his officers will continue to protect communities regardless of the governor's policies. Now, I asked Berardi to clarify what these policies are.
The state of New York is not a sanctuary state, but there are certain parts of it, like the city, that is, which means local law enforcement doesn't ask people about their immigration status. If they find that somebody's out of status, they're not turning them over to the federal government.
I reached out to the governor to respond to that social media post. Her office sent me a statement saying, quote, "Governor Hochul always follows the law, which is why our administration regularly communicates with ICE regarding our northern border and is able to share evidence with immigration authorities if a crime has been committed. Public safety is Governor Hochul's top priority, and she will stop at nothing to keep New York families safe." But Berardi says it's important to look at the big picture here.
So we're spotlighting, these immigrants or these migrants, and for me, I've done this for almost 30 years. Crimes happen every day. It's sort of irrelevant who's committing them.
As far as this case goes, the man is in ICE custody. Taylor Epps, 7 News, Buffalo.